Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install RAR and zip packing or unpacking app for your Motorola Moto E22. And to begin, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here try to find the RAR app, it's called RAR. Hit the search button, select it and download it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open this app. Here you need to give it all file access and go back. Dismiss. And from here the app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.